Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your tutor, Joyful Joy. And before we start, let's get our introduction dance. As you all know, the reason why I always dance before we solve, because you guys have a narrative that maths is hard. Maths is not hard. Trust me, guys. Let's get to the board. We have on the board here, given y is equals to ax squared plus bx. Find dy dx. Here we're going to use what's called the power rule. And what does the power rule say? The power rule says that if you have axn, this is the power rule. How do you differentiate this? Now, if you're, let's say this is f of x, for instance, is equals to this, and to use the power rule to differentiate this is very simple. You're going to have this to be f prime of x. And the power rule states that the power of the variable will come down and multiply the coefficient of that variable. Okay, then you subtract 1 from the what power of that variable. Are you with me? If you're still watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a follow, and enjoy. So now we're going to have the power of the variable, which is what? N. N will come down, multiply the coefficient of the variable, which is what? A. So n times A, then the variable itself, x, then you subtract 1 from the variable for the power of the variable, which is x to the power of n minus what? 1. Now, this is the f prime of x will be an x to the power of what? N minus 1. This is what is called, the power rule of derivation of a derivative. This is the power rule of a differential calculus. Okay, good. Now we're going to use this power rule to solve this. Okay, we're going to use this power rule to solve this. Now back to our agenda for today. Solution: you're given y is equals to ax squared plus bx. You have to find dy dx. Simple. Dy dx, based on this power rule that I just taught you guys. Now, the power of the variable here is what? 2. So 2 will multiply the coefficient of x, which is what? A. 2 times a. Then you have the variable itself, x. Then the power, you subtract 1 from the power of the variable. So 2 minus 1. Okay, now you do the same thing with the second one. Okay, now the operation here is what? Plus. So plus the power of x. Power of x here is what? 1. So we have 1 multiplied the coefficient of x, which is what? B. Okay, now you have x, subtract 1 from the power, which is what? 1 minus what? 1. Because the power of x here is what? 1. Are you with me? Now we're going to have this 2 times a, which is what? 2a. Now 2 minus 1, x, the power of what? 1. There's no point writing x the power of 1. You know it's already x, okay? Then plus 1 times b, which is what? B. Then x to the power of 1 minus 1 is equal to x to the power of 0. And based on the law of indices, when you have x to the power of 0 is what? 1. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. If it's 2 to the power of 0 is still what? 1. 3 to the power of 0 is still what? 1. A variable x to the power of 0 is what? 1. So we have 1 times b, which is what? B. So this is our final answer. So derivative of ax squared plus bx, the y dx is 2ax plus b. This is our answer. If you watch this video to the end, don't forget to give a follow, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.